as we continue with word of an upcoming event planned for Nobel Laureate Week. The UWI Open Campus Nobel Laureate Seminar will take place Wednesday, and the focus is on dance. This event is dubbed Familiar Space, Bridging the Expanse of St. Lucian Dance. The seminar is the brainchild of Richard Ambrose and will be held on campus from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
As its contribution to Nobel Laureate Week 2013, and of course in keeping with the theme of the week, this year the UWI Open Campus has decided to focus on excellence in dance. Our event is called Familiar Space, Bridging the Expanse of St. Lucian Dance. It'll focus on the status of dance in St. Lucia by taking a critical look at the history as well as the recent trends in the art form. The event is actually the brainchild of St. Lucian dancer Mr. Richard Ambrose. And along with Mr. Ambrose, we will be having two of, I think, St. Lucia's modern dance icons, Miss Christine Samuel and also Mr. Carton Ishmael, who will be making presentations. Once they have done so, this will be followed by a presentation of the work of overseas-based but St. Lucian-born dancer and choreographer, Miss Tanya Isaac Hyman of Tanya Isaac Dan.
Additional activities on Wednesday include two at the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College. The first begins at 10 a.m. and is the Poetry Exposé featuring works by several students, staff, and alumni of the college. The second event on campus is a full production entitled Pakite Mwe Ate, an Evening of the Arts. The event will be a 2-hour production with a delightful display of song, dance, music, drama, and poetry in celebration of the works of the Honorable Derek Walcott and paying homage to Sir Arthur Lewis's philosophy that a society without the creative arts is a cultural desert. The production will begin at 7 p.m. on the grounds of the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College. The Ministry of Education is sponsoring several activities, all focusing on the works of our two laureates. The next event, the Derek Walcott Theatre Arts Festival, will begin at 1 Thursday afternoon at the National Cultural Center. This competition will feature performances of Derek Walcott's poem, The Schooner Flight.
On the Thursday, we have the Derek Walcott Theatre Arts Festival for schools, and this year's piece, the students will be doing presentations based on the Schooner's Flight. We have students from secondary schools throughout the island who will be participating in this. Along with this activity, we have launched this year a poetry competition, and we have invited schools from across the island to send in their applications, their poetry pieces. And so we are hoping through these activities to really, at the school level, make sure that the students not only are exposed to the work of our laureates, but also we are able to hopefully identify or hopefully help to ignite within the students some of their own creative potential.